And I really don't have time to waste to police officers who don't respond to phone calls in the park when people are being harassed. So let's see what they say.
911, what's the address of your room?
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes. 911, what is the address of your emergency?
I'm in Salem City, Riverfront City Park. This is the third 911 call I've made today. And everybody's just left the scene. Your police officers took far too long to show up, so there's nobody here. I'm just standing here like a lemon at this point. No interview statements have been taken from the witnesses. They've all left. There's nobody here. It's just me. And it's pointless me hanging out for a police officer at this point because the harassment has ceased at this point. So I just wanted to be polite with you, give you a phone call, just let you know that I'm now leaving the scene because I'm the only one here. I'm standing here like a lemon. Your police officer did not show up. No statements were taken. And everybody that he could have interviewed is gone. So it was a complete waste of my time. I really feel that I placed a whole bunch of 911 calls today and it was a complete waste of time. So thank you very much. I don't need your assistance anymore. I will be filing a police complaint about this whole incident and we can deal with it that way. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you, bye-bye.
So there you go, that's how you interact with Salem City Police Department. So the sheriff has abandoned the scene. He knew we were waiting for the police. He's just disappeared, as have the park keepers, and here I am on my own. I hope you enjoyed this presentation of how law enforcement works in the USA. Please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. And I really wish you the best of luck next time you place a 911 call. Thank you.